بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم يا ربي بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم آمين تذكر جيران بذي سلمي ماذا اجتدى دمعا جرى من مقلة بدمي يا ربي بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم يا ربي بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم أم هبت الريح من تلقاء كاظمة وأومض البرق في ظلماء من إضامي يا ربي بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم يا ربي بالمصطفى بلغ مقاصدنا واغفر لنا ما مضى يا واسع الكرم.
Let us wholeheartedly sing together the Nagara Ku, followed by the university song.
Rahmat
Please be seated. Honorable Tan Sri Datuk Sri Utama Dr. Rais Yatim, Advisor to the Government of Malaysia on Socio-Cultural Matters and President of the International Islamic University, Malaysia. Honorable Professor Dato Omar bin Osman, Vice Chancellor of University Science Malaysia and family members. Honorable Professor Dato Sri Dr. Zaleha Kamaruddin, Rector of the International Islamic University, Malaysia. Professor Dr. Thorla Haji Hassan, Chairman of the IIUM 31st Convocation. Honorable University Management Committee and Senate members, Honorable Tan Sri, Dato, and honorable guests, staff and graduates of the 31st International Islamic University Malaysia Convocation, parents and family members, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Yang berbahagia, Tan Sri Datuk Sri Utama Dr. Rais Yatim, Honorable President of the International Islamic University Malaysia, will now declare open the second session of the 31st Convocation Ceremony of the International Islamic University Malaysia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I hereby declare open the second session of the 31st Convocation Ceremony of the International Islamic University Malaysia for the conferment of degrees.
I have the pleasure to call upon Brother Muhammad Sharifuddin bin Sabri to recite Surah Al-Alaq.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم كلا إن الإنسان ليطغى أن رآه استغنى إن إلى ربك الرجعى أرأيت الذي ينهى عبدا إذا صلى أرأيت إن كان على الهدى أو أمر بالتقوى أرأيت إن كذب وتولى ألم يعلم بأن الله يرى كلا لئن لم ينته لنسفعا بالناصية ناصية كاذبة خاطئة فليدع ناديه سندع الزبانية كلا لا تطعه واسجد واقترب صدق الله العظيم.
It is with great pleasure that I call upon Yang Berbahagia, Professor Datuk Sri Dr. Zaleha Kamaruddin, the Honorable Rector of the International Islamic University Malaysia, to deliver her speech.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Honorable Tan Sri Datuk Sri Utama Dr. Rais Yatim, President of International Islamic University Malaysia, Honorable Professor Dato' Omar bin Osman, Vice Chancellor of University Science Malaysia, and family members, Professor Dr. Torla Haji Hassan, Chairman of the IIUM 31st Convocation, Honorable University Management Committee and Senate members, Honorable Tan Sri, Datuk, and honorable guests, staff and graduates of the 31st International Islamic University Malaysia Convocation, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, wassalatu wassalamu ala ashrafil anbiya'i wal mursalin, wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Alhamdulillah, dengan izin Allah, pada hari ini kita berkumpul, hari yang penuh bersejarah bagi graduan-graduan sempena convocation kita yang ke-31. Pada hari ini saya percaya ibu bapa dan penjaga graduan semua berbangga dengan kejayaan yang dicapai oleh anak masing-masing. Pada hari ini juga sehingga hari Isnin, seramai 5,470 orang graduan akan menerima sijil mereka di dalam majlis ini dan mereka datang dari lebih 120 buah negara. Dan 120 buah negara ini berkumpul di Universiti Islam Antarabangsa. I warmly welcome everyone to this joyous and blissful occasion. Izinkan saya meneruskan ucapan saya di dalam bahasa Inggeris. Dan ucapan ini tidak lebih dari 5 minit. Insya-Allah, ucapan ini merupakan syarahan terakhir saya, my last lecture untuk anak-anak yang telah berada di sini lebih dari 4 tahun. So please lend me your ears for the last time. Dear graduates, the joy with which we celebrate today and the pride with which you are acknowledged today are the outcomes of years of dedication. More importantly, they are the results of decades of nurturing love by your caring families. I'm sure the greater joy and pride belong to the parents and guardians of our graduates. You owe a huge debt to your families for supporting you in more ways than it is possible to count. I thank all the families. Saya mengucapkan jutaan terima kasih kepada semua keluarga dan penjaga yang hadir di dalam dewan ini kerana memberi sepenuh kepercayaan kepada universiti ini untuk mengasuh anak-anak tuan-tuan dan perempuan di universiti ini yang kami gelar Taman Ilmu dan Budi, Garden of Knowledge and Virtue. You also owe a big debt to your lecturers who shared their time, talent, and knowledge with you. They set the bar high and challenge you to set and lift up to it. And you did. I invite today all the graduates in this room to stand up. Can you please stand up? It's not part of the speech. Please. You are standing as a sign of honor, and please give a round of warm applause to your families and to your lecturers. Thank you. You may be seated. The recognition you celebrate today comes from the premier International Islamic Research University. The crowning jewel of your achievement is the value-based education you earned in the past years. Now you have a clear vision of Islamic global ethics and values. As I wish you a bright future, I hope you will carry the good name of the university to far-off places and do your university and Ummah proud of you. Civilization, ladies and gentlemen, is not only made by politicians and leaders. The history of civilizations is not a history of kings and palaces. It is the history of science, education, culture. It is the history of ideas, the history of judges, the history of teachers, and the history of doctors. The glorified battles of Islam did not only take place in the fields of warfare. Our heroes are not only warriors. The jihad in the fields of knowledge is in the labs and libraries. It is the jihad that builds civilization and erects lasting edifices of glory. Remember, there's graduates, that Imam Abdurrahman al-Andalusi traveled for months to Baghdad to study with Imam Ahmad ibn Hanbal. Abu Hatim al-Razi walked on foot from Morocco to Cairo to seek knowledge. This is the real jihad. It is because our ancestors were thus dedicated that we have Islam today. If you are not like them, what will happen to our children and grandchildren? Who will pass the torch? What legacy will we leave behind? Will our own legacy be the realization of the hadith when the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The nations are about to call each other and set upon you, just as diners set upon food." It was said, "Will it be because of our small number that day?" He said, "Rather, on that day, you will be many, but you will be like foam, buih, like the foam on the river, and Allah will remove the fear of you from the hearts of your enemies and will throw you wahan, that is weaknesses, into your hearts." Let me remind you that knowledge is power. You graduates will be shaping the future of the Ummah. You have to be the catalyst for change, and I am confident that each one of you has the leadership quality to bring change and reform in society. Muslims have spread the light of knowledge all over the world. Now every one of you today are entrusted to carry that torch. Muslims have set the scales of justice for all mankind. Muslims have built Baghdad and Cairo. We have built the Al-Azhar. We have built Alhambra. Muslims like At-Tabari, Al-Ghazali, and Al-Razi. We are the living embodiment of the values of Islam. We turn our faces towards Mecca 5 times a day. Unfortunately, our hearts are always turned down towards message from Mecca. Our religion is the message of virtues and infallible truth. Let me finish my speech today with a parable of a grandfather who told his grandson. He said, "A fight is going on inside me." And he said to the boy, "And this is a very terrible fight. It is between 2 wolves. One is evil, of which he is anger, he is envy, he is greed, he is arrogance, and full of lies. But the other is good. He is peace, he is love, he is humility, he is empathy, he is generosity, he is truth, he is compassion, and he is faith." This same fight is going on inside you and inside every other person too. The grandson thought about it for a minute, and then asked his grandfather, "So which wolf will win?" The old grandfather simply looked at the boy and said, "The one you feed." So, dear graduates, nurture the values you have gained in IIUM for the sake of Allah. Your education in this university is certainly not the ultimate end. The steps you have taken on campus are part of a very long journey to serve the Ummah. Now cherish that and build on what you have to be catalysts for prosperity for yourselves, your families, your nations, and your Ummah. Finally, have a wonderful celebration today as IIUM's newest alumni. My prayers and good wishes for you in all your undertakings. With that, I thank you very much. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I now have the pleasure to call upon Professor Dr. Abdi Omar Shuri, Dean, Center for Postgraduate Studies, for the presentation of master's degrees.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. I respectfully call upon Yang Berbahagia Tan Sri Datuk Sri Utama Dr. Rais Yatim, the Honorable President of the International Islamic University Malaysia, to present the master's degrees to the graduates.
From the Ahmad Ibrahim Kuliah of Laws,
Ahmad Najib bin Abdullah. Ahmad Nurisham bin Ma'arus. Arifin Bahtiar. Muhammad Dulal Mia. Muhammad Arif bin Haji Kamis. Muhammad Ridwan bin Salih. Omula Sodik Olalekan. Zabihullah son of Hafizullah. Atikah binti Abdul Razak. Farah Sherwani binti Mat Tahir. Ghaniya Abdul Ghafur. Jamaliyah binti Muhammad Kamil. Meliana Damayanti. Nur Syakira Aliana binti Alias. Nur Husna Emirah binti On. Nur Hazirah binti Zainuddin. Syafiqah binti Abdul Razak. Zimna Abdul Muhsin. Nurul Nabila Anis binti Mat Seman. Abdul Syukur bin Abdul Hamid. Mat Pasari. Nur Faiz Afsal bin Abu Bakar. Maryam Nazaha Ibrahim. Nur Aiza binti Muhammad Zain. Nurul Akmar binti Muhammad Hilmi. Nurul Fadlina binti Cik Daud. Nurul Hidayat binti Abdul Rahman. Sarah binti Muhammad Ali. Siti Zubaidah binti Helma Terlidi. Zuraidah binti Embong. Husain Wahid. Imi Himid Ramal M. Ashaibi. Muhammad Radwan Arif bin Zakaria. Azhana binti Muhammad Khairuddin, Mujahide Borglu, Siti Raihana binti Harun, Zainatul Aznida binti Zahari, Abdallah Ali S. Mustafa, Abdul Maula M. Ali Tawir, Abdul Basit A.A. Bishala, Abdullah Salim Zain Bahamid, Abdul Wahid El Hadi Musbah, Abrini Arhuma Muhammad Ahmid, Adil Maraga E. Hamd, Ahmed Ali Agila, Ahmed Salim Abdul Salam,
What time to call that? Because I'm ending here.
Ali Al-Sadiq Muhammad Al-Afas.
I say 10
Ali
to
M.
3.
Ali El Garabuli,
Intimation.
Ali Muhammad A. Muslati, Ali Omar A. Sagair, Ebtisam E. Muhammad El Gwil, El Hussein Muhammad I. N. Baya, El Makke Abdul Rajab Ganbur, Esedek Ali A. Edwiar, Etomi Iramah Karim Muhammad, Ezedin Omaru, Fadil Ibrahim H. Abu Bakar, Faisal El Abdirrahman El Mahrik, Fathi A. Ibrahim El Falah, Fuad Yusuf M. Al-Zaiti, Galal Farhad M. Muhammad,
Where? Stop here?
Ganesan anak lelaki Vetia,
Here. So, but have to ask, announce this one.
Gabriel Ali Gabriel Mukasabi, Gumahar G. Baka, Harvinder Singh Ramde,
Hussein M.H. Sasi.
Hussein El Khadeki, Hussein F. Muhammad Megraisi, Ismail S. Bayut Lawar, Joshua Erickson, Khairul Anwar bin Shazali, Khalil Akbar Yabas, Mansur Abdallah Berwaila, Muhammad W. Muftah, Muhammad O. M. Berzi, Muhammad Hafizullah bin Mir Hasan, Muhammad Qasim Zargar, Kamil M. Ahmed Un, Nasir L. M. Shaibni, Nasir Masud Muhammad Al-Galal, Ozair Ahmad Omar Zada, Rajab Ali Moh El Hershawi, Rida A. Abdul Albisht, Rudwan Ibrahim M, Saleh S. Masud El Buseifi, Salem Aisyah Farhad, Subhi Sul El Edrisi, Swakar Ibrahim Abdallah, Tarik Al Mabruk Owe Abul Qasim, Wail O. A. Syari, Walid M. Hamed A. Akra, Wisam O. Atia El Majdud, Aisyah Azfa Abdul Ghafur, Ajirah binti Haji Ismail, Hanak binti Yazid, Hakim Saleh K. Abu Daib, Fidrus bin Sukur, Hafizul Hasan, Ibrahim Musa Tijani, Muhammad A.M. Abdul Rahim, Muhammad Fitri bin Hussein, Muhammad Jiddatum, Muhammad Rizq bin Abdul Aziz, Shah Nazrin bin Hashim, Emilda binti Jamaluddin, Farah Shima binti Dahalan, Maziah binti Yong, Najwa Akilah binti Mansur, Nur Syarizan binti Maksiat, Raja Madihah binti Raja Alias, Rosmidah binti Saidi, Safa Hamzah Amjad, Siti Nur Aliana Faiza binti Ali Rahim, Sumayyah binti Abdul Latif, Syarhana Adlini binti Mat Ali,
Shazana binti Abdul Rahman.
We would like to invite Brother Ali Ahmed Ahmad Al Aswad, the cousin of Allahyarham Brother Jamaluddin Barka Omar from Libya, to receive a posthumous degree in Masters of Law LLM International Laws on behalf of the family. May the soul of Allahyarham Jamaluddin Barka Omar rest in eternal peace. Al-Fatiha. From the Kulliyah of Education.
Popula Karim Hamid, Radin Muhammad Imaduddin bin Radin Abdul Halim, Diana Priya, daughter of Ganapati, Nur Erma Idayu binti Ibrahim, Wan Zainira binti Wan Bakar, Alshwiya Hesa Ahmed, Khairul Amri, Muhammad Muslim bin Matzali, Zubir Asadi bin Muhammad, Azatirah binti Zubairi, Farhana binti Muhammad Razi, Khamisah binti Haji Salehuddin, Nur Karima, Putri Farah Diana binti Megat Suhaimi, Ahmed Hamdi Aisyah, Azlin binti Abdul Aziz,
Nik Nurzakwan binti Nik Muhammad Nasim.
Sakinah Hussein Elias Arifin, Abdul Hamid Abdul Salam, Muhammad Solih, Syaza Hazirah binti Muhammad Hashim, Lina Murshidah binti Hamzah, Masyitah binti Tajuddin, Syarifah Ummu Salamah binti Said Anas, Nur Khalila binti Azizan, Fadilah binti Muhammad Saleh, Nur Hasaniyah binti Ahmad.
From the Institute of Islamic Banking and Finance.
Afaf Husain Muhammad Osman, Abdul Yosef Qaid Saad, Ahmad Abdurrahim Sabri, Ali Muhammad Ali Baharun, Ali Salim Hamad Al-Ja'afri, Chan Ying Aung Elias Muhammad Afzal Muhammad Osman, Faizal Asfan bin Muhammad, Khalid Muhammad Abdullah Mukaibal,
Muhammad Farid bin Azhari,
Mohsen Abdul Jamil Abdul Jalil Khan, Moinuddin Ul Islam, Prakash anak lelaki Malayapan, Richard Gerald Gonsalves, Ruslan Sabir Zianov, Salahuddin Abukar, Said Ihsanullah Aga, Afikah Nur binti Yahya, Hafizatul Akla binti Muhammad Saleh, Hafsah binti Ahmad, Hazwani Aimi binti Hashim, Mardiah binti Syaharum, Nik Nun Asma binti Nik Sulaiman, Nur Leza binti Abu Bakar, Nur Liana binti Muhammad Hambir, Nur Ifah binti Muhammad Nasir, Sabarina binti Abu Bakar, Syahin Bibi Ramjaun, Syahirah binti Muhammad Saleh, Zainab Belal Omar Lauhaishi, Huria Hussain.
From the International Institute of Islamic Thought and Civilization,
Khalil Ahmad,
Syahrul Jamili bin Miskun,
Yunus Olatoke Abdul Salam, Ai Nur Yaprak, Nurul Iman binti Rusli, Ishak Hanis bin Asmail.
From the Kulliyah of Allied Health Sciences,
Ainin Azwani binti Abdul Rafa, Nur Azlin Alia binti Nur Muhammad, Nur Aizura binti Mat Alewi, Nur Fariza binti Ahmad Roslin, Nurul Hafiza binti Muhammad Jan.
from the Kulliyah of Architecture and Environmental Design,
Ahmad Firdaus bin Baharudin, Wan Imran bin Wan Omar, Muhammad Ihsan bin Syaharil, Said Huzaifah Said Omar, Zulfadli Azizi bin Bohari, Izzah Adibah binti Ismail, Adebayo Aminu Sarat Iyabode, Aina Nawarah binti Ibrahim, Aisyah Nadrah binti Ibrahim, Anizah binti Muhammad Saleh, Farah Ayuni binti Muhammad Hatta, Farah Dianah binti Ismail, Iman binti Fazil, Mirahida binti Murad, Nazirah binti Muhammad Nazir, Nur Aliani binti Yaakob, Nur Fadilah binti Muhammad Baruldin, Nur Dalila Nazihah binti Cik Hasim, Nur Amalina binti Ali Muhammad, Nur Aulia binti Rosni, Nur Syazwani binti Rosli, Nuraihan binti Muhammad Ibrahim, Nurul Aida binti Salim, Nurul Azlin binti Hanifah, Razanah binti Ramya Elias Abdul Rahim, Syarifah Adibah Alia binti Said Adnan, Syarifah Fadilawati binti Said Abdullah, Syarifah Tahirah binti Said Kamarul Zaman, Syahidah Amni binti Muhammad, Syazwani binti Sahrir, Tuminah binti Paiman, Ahmad Sufyan bin Sulaiman, Aidil Azlan Ahmad Zamri, Aminuddin Muhammad Nur, Majid Olaide Oladokun, Zaino bin Ahmed, Nur Azah binti Arifin, Tengku Anis Qarihah binti Raja Abdul Kadir, Eni Tahiri, Intan Siti Zulaikha binti Mastur, Marina binti Muhammad Nur, Mazni Adibah binti Abdul Rahman,
Maina Agustina Yusuf,
Siti Nazirah binti Kamarudin,
Thank you, Tan Sri.
We will now have a short intermission. Ladies and gentlemen, please remain seated. You will be entertained by the brass band from the Royal
you,
Malay
Tan Sri.
Regiment, 1st Battalion, Sungai Besi Camp.
Yang berbahagia Profesor Datuk Sri Dr. Zaliha Kamaruddin, Rector of IIUM, will now present the master's degrees to the graduates.
From the Kuliah of Economics and Management Sciences,
Abdi Risa Muhammad Ali. Abdul Fattah Ahmed Hussein Firin. Abdullah Siddiqui bin Muhammad. Adik Mutalif Majid. Ahmad Syarif bin Muhammad Jelani. Aman Shah Aladin. Amir Qayyum bin Cik Nordin. Asad Muhammad Sid Ahmed Osman. Azhar bin Kasan. Azhar bin Muhammad Nasir. Azlan Shah bin Muhammad. Imran bin Ismail. Ermin Smashlovich. Hafiz Muhammad Bilal Mustafa Siddiqui. Hamzah Ahmed Haji Abdullahi. Ikmal Hisham bin Muhammad Rum. Isa bin Johari. Isa Mukhtar Adan. Muhammad Afzal bin Muhammad Rafiq. Muhammad Imran Mahmuni Vitilawalapil. Muhammad Jalaluddin bin Idris. Muhammad Amran bin Abdul Ghaffar. Muhammad Hanif bin Muhammad Akbar. Muhammad Isyazwan bin Fauzi Elias Puzilah. Muhammad Khair Azizi bin Daud. Muhammad Nur Azham Shah bin Yusuf. Muhammad Salihuddin bin Nordin. Muhammad Yunus bin Masjuki. Muhammad Syefeku. Wiki Noviandi. Zairul Anwar Mustafa. Zakaria Hasan Muhammad. Zubli Quzairi bin Zubli. Aida Safiyah binti Ismail. Aisyah binti Ali Sibra Mulisi. Anisah binti Zaini. Asfa Laila Abu Bakar. Ayan Muhammad Dalal. Fatihah binti Ismail. Hana binti Muhammad Tahir. Hawa Abu Bakar Muallim. Intan Syafinas binti Mumahat Sazali. Laila Humaira binti Mat Khalil. Mawaddah alias Munirah binti Muhammad. Nabila Syafika binti Mohyin. Nabila Syakira binti Mohyin. Nazmun Nesa Khan. Nur Fazila binti Fakhari. Nur Adila binti Muhammad Azli. Nur Alia binti Cik Abdullah. Nur Amira Farihan binti Abdul Razak. Nur Hayati binti Abdul Karim. Nur Rehani binti Yub Aznan. Nur Syahirah binti Rosli. Rashidatul Asiyah Zanial. Rizka Rahman. Rugayah binti Yusuf. Rukayabat, Rukia Shu'ib Abdul Latif, Sakpanova Asim, Samira Muhammad Ahmed, Sarah Abdulillah Muhammad, Sarah Kalim Ahmed, Sharifah Alia Al-Habsyi, Siti Azrai binti Ahmad Akil, Siti Khatijah Sharina binti Nazaruddin, Siti Rahayu binti Matsum, Sri Sunarti binti Sumairi, Wan Nur Asfira binti Wan Aminuddin, Wahaidia binti Samai, Zaharah binti Muhammad Izzat, Muhammad Hanif bin Uthman, Nur Jamaluddin, Zuhair bin Muhammad Rosli, Abdia Humaira, Khairun Nisak binti Taslim, Marhamah Mutahharoh, Nur Syafiah binti Abdurrahman, Nur Nadiah binti Ghazali, Nurul Falihin binti Abdul Razak, Abdi Rizak Muhammad Muhammad, Ahmadu Tidiane Chonde, Ahmed Bashir Ibrahim, Alaeddin MH Abid, Belal SM Al-Akhras, Fahmi Alim Fathul Ihsan, Kamal Syafiq bin Zakbi, Khairul Hamzah bin M. Rusdi, Feraz A.H. Kawasmih, Ismail Ali Ahmed, Khalid Omer Muhammad, Muhammad Izzuddin bin Zainuddin, Muhammad Faiz bin Harun, Wira Amirul bin Syafi'i, Zaid bin Khalid, Amina Zilich, Dwi Rahayu Virgianti, Farah binti Yazid, Fatin JM Al-Akhras, Hamdi Omar Hasan, Jihan Ali Hasan, Maryam Jumah Mariwa, Nurlinda binti Yahaya, Nurul Fatihah binti Sulaiman, Nurul Farhana binti Zainurin, Nusari Arya, Rahmadiyah, Rozaini binti Cik Nordin, Sal Syabila binti Abu Husin, Siti Syazwina binti Awang, Wan Nur Amalina binti Wan Saidi, Anis Ur-Rahman, Grandis Imama Hendra, Khalik Pratama, Muhammad Mukhlis bin Ahmad Fuad,
Ainul Basirah binti Abdul Wahab,
Hamidah binti Muhammad,